So Facebook have just released their version of the Snapchat Bitmoji, and Facebook are calling it Facebook Avatars. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can make a Facebook avatar and how you can use it, and we'll just jump straight into the video. So what you need to do first is make sure that you've got Facebook updated. If you don't update Facebook, you might not be able to get to the feature. So what you need to do once you're inside of Facebook is click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then scroll all the way down and go to See More. And then here at the top here, you should see avatars. Now, I didn't have this feature when I first opened Facebook. I'm currently living in Thailand, and for some reason, this feature didn't show up on my Facebook. So what I had to do was connect to a VPN and change my server to the UK. So you might have to change your location to actually get access to the avatars. I'm not sure how they're rolling it out to different accounts. So click on avatars, and it should load your avatar here. And now we can start to create our avatar. So I'm going to click next, and what it's going to do is first it's going to get you to choose your skin tone. So right off the bat, it's not going to tell me to choose whether I'm male or female because it already knows that from my Facebook profile picture. So what I can do here is go down and choose a skin tone. So we'll choose this one, we'll go next. And then you can change things like your hairstyle, the hair color, your face shape, your eye shape, your eye color, your makeup, your eyebrows, and you can customize a lot of things on this Facebook avatar page here. Now, once you're done with your avatar, you can click on the blue tick in the top right hand corner, and it's going to tell you that this is your avatar. Click next, and you can then use that avatar in the comments like you normally would do with adding stickers. You can also send pictures and send stickers of your avatar in Facebook Messenger as well. So we can click done, and here is our avatar. Again, you can edit this at any time by clicking on the pencil button, and you can check out what stickers you can use with your avatar by clicking on the sticker button, and you can share it to your feed or set it as your profile picture as well. So that's how you can use Facebook avatars. I hope that video helped you out. If it did, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.